Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipop balloons. Inflate a small inner balloon and a larger outer balloon to different sizes, leaving a bit of tail on each. Slide the small balloon onto the stick first, then add the larger balloon over it like a candy shell. Seal both balloons with a dab of clear tape at the base, and use ribbon to finish the treat-like look for party displays and gifts. Begin by inflating the center balloon to a small, candy-sized shape, using steady breaths or a pump. Next, carefully inflate the larger balloon to create the outer candy shell, watching that the two sizes contrast nicely. Gently pinch each neck to keep air from escaping while you prepare the stick and tape. Practice with one prototype to get comfortable with pressure and timing before making a batch for an event or display. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making easy craft guides for you. Quick recommendation. On another note, try Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh-smelling ride after party runs. Its crisp scent cuts through sticky hands and balloon residue in the car. I've linked it and other deals in the description for convenience, so check there if you want one, and now let's get back to the video. Place the stick into the inner balloon and push until it feels secure, keeping the stick centered for a balanced look. Fit the outer balloon over the inner one and adjust both so the seams align smoothly, then apply clear tape where the balloons meet the stick for extra hold. Finish with a curled ribbon around the base and optional stickers or glitter for color. These finishing touches turn the simple build into a charming party favor or display piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.